Huangguoshu Waterfall, located in Anshun City, Guizhou Province, China, is part of the Xijiang River system, a tributary of the Pearl River. It is the largest waterfall in the waterfall cluster and one of the most famous waterfalls in the world, known for its mighty water flow. The waterfall has a height of 77.8 meters and a width of 101 meters. Huangguoshu Waterfall is classified as an erosion fault type waterfall within the karst landscape. Qingyan Ancient Town, located in Guiyang City, Guizhou Province, was a military stronghold during the Ming and Qing dynasties. The planned area of the scenic spot covers approximately 5.8 square kilometers. The streets are paved with stone, and the residential buildings also have stone walls and courtyards. The layout follows the Ming and Qing styles, with well-preserved gates, waste gates, and tiled roofs with overhanging eaves, reflecting the architectural style of the Ming and Qing periods. The ancient town has 4 main streets, 26 small streets and alleys, and numerous historical sites such as buildings, towers, pavilions, temples, monasteries, palaces, ancestral halls, pagodas, and courtyards. Xijiang Miao village, located in the Miao and Dong Autonomous Prefecture of Guizhou Province, is formed by more than 10 natural villages built along the mountain. Surrounded by mountains on all sides, the terraced fields extend up to the sky, and the Guizhou River runs through the village. The Miao village is famous for its unique wooden stilt houses built halfway up the mountain. Over 1,000 stilt houses rise and fall with the terrain, forming a magnificent scene. Major attractions include the Xijiang Miao Museum, Drum Tower Head House, Livelihood Head House, Distillery, Embroidery Workshop, Batik Workshop, Silverware Workshop, Viewing Platforms, Gaga Ancient Path, and Farmland Sightseeing Area. Xijiang Miao Village is an open-air museum showcasing the history of Miao development and has become a grand stage for observing and researching traditional Miao culture.